Hey guys, this is not your old man's Barker. The VK Barker is specially designed with a spiral cutting head and 4 independently adjustable blades, which debark without damaging the wood. The versatile machine can be operated by electricity or tractor, suitable for both forest and factory work. With a power of 17 kilowatts, the machine processes wood with a diameter of 20 to 55 centimeters, a length of up to 6 meters, and can debark up to 15 cubic meters per hour. Oh my gosh, the Bandit 3500 stump grinder is incredibly fast at handling stumps. In the blink of an eye, the stump is completely gone, leaving no trace behind. With its superior abrasive power, the machine easily breaks down even the toughest stumps. After just a few minutes of operation, the stump is completely processed, proving the powerful cutting and grinding capabilities of the Bandit 3500. A great tool that saves time and brings optimal efficiency in removing stumps. Operating a log truck is actually much more complicated than you might think. This video will give you an inside look at the challenges and intricacies of hauling logs, from navigating tight turns to securing huge loads of logs. These challenges require not only absolute precision, but also skill and experience to safely handle the truck on difficult roads. Pay attention to how the driver maneuvers the truck with finesse and gain a better understanding of this challenging job. Ponce Ergo 8WDC 5H7-2016, Buskerud, Norway, working efficiently in the midst of a snowy winter. With its robust design and outstanding capabilities, the machine easily copes with harsh weather conditions, delivering excellent timber harvesting performance even in challenging winter environments. So that's it for our exploration of the technological monsters of the logging industry. If you enjoyed and want to continue following these dramatic adventures,